Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. JavaScript errors can be tricky, but we will solve this fast. Let's look at this class definition and find the compile time error together. In the points class, the constructor correctly takes n1 and n2 as parameters to initialize the instance variables. This part of the code is actually perfectly fine for Java standards. However, look at the increment method. It tries to use n1 and n2, but those variables only existed inside the constructor. They are not instance variables or method parameters here. Therefore, lines 14 and 15 will fail because those specific names are not defined in this scope. That makes option D our final winner. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust the given code and check steps.